Hi, Marco Lopez here on the show floor of InfoComm 2026. Here we're demonstrating the Arcadia product with the last release, which is version 4.1. Again, we brought so many new features to the platform for all of our tried and true customers that have been working with us and the Arcadia platform for many years, another boost in that functionality that they get for free with Arcadia. So those things are panel support. So now you can connect the Iris series of panels to the Arcadia. You still have the support for HelixNet, all of our digital wired products, and you have the full gamut of FreeSpeak digital wireless products that you can connect directly to your Arcadia, along with the Dante support as well integrated. And the other benefit is now we also have IFB support. So for those customers that are more on the broadcast side and need to have IFBs for remotes, or other applications, they can now do that with the Arcadia using release 4.1. Again, we're really excited about this new version of software to our customers. They all can get it for free as a download and upgrading their currently shipping Arcadia boxes. Thank you for your time, and if you have any more questions, please come see us here on the show floor or come visit our website at www.clearcom.com.